What's going on, guys? Welcome back to another Timmybug tutorials, I guess you could call it. And today I'm going to teach you how to do something that's pretty important. Now, when you buy a computer, first of all, you should probably check how much RAM is in your computer or is going to be in your computer before you buy it. I would recommend for an office computer, probably about 4 GB of RAM, and for like a low-end gaming computer, 8 GB of RAM. Um, that would probably be the starter points for me. But today, I'm going to show you how to access your RAM if you have no clue at all how to get to your RAM. It's incredibly simple, so just follow along with me. So this is a really, really simple way to tell how much RAM is in your computer right now, and I'm going to show you how to do it in less than 10 seconds. Ready? 3, 2, 1, go. Click the search bar, type in about, and then hit enter. Boom. You will instantly get how much RAM is in your computer. I'm not going to scroll down, and I'm sorry that there is a blurred image at the bottom, or not a blurred image, a black box over the blurred image. Sorry. I don't want y'all to be able to see my device ID or my product ID because you could steal the credentials from my laptop in that case. But as you can see right here, it says installed RAM, and then beside installed RAM, we have 8 gigabytes, 7.87 gigabytes usable. The reason why in some laptops not all of the RAM is usable is because your device automatically to load Windows 10 and to keep Windows 10 running requires so much RAM to keep it going. So that's not even half a gigabyte to run and load Windows 10 really, really quickly. So that's a good thing if you have that. Now, I don't know what to do if it does say that like maybe 4 gigabytes are usable, but I do know something that could happen if you have an older computer. If you have an older computer, then your computer is most likely a 32-bit operating system. As you can see right here, my system type is a 64-bit operating system and an x64 based processor. That's what kind of processor is in my computer. And if you have an older computer, your older computer is most likely a 32-bit operating system. And when 32-bit operating systems came out, gaming wasn't really a big thing. You didn't have to run games quickly. There weren't many games out for the PC. It was mainly consoles for that. And so there was a RAM limit. There was an actual RAM limit. They didn't make more than 3.18 gigabytes of your RAM usable. So you could have 500 gigabytes. Shoot, you could even have a terabyte of RAM in your computer, and it wouldn't register. You would only be able to use 3.18 because that's what Windows had it locked. Now, there is a way to patch this, and it's really difficult, and I tried it because I have one or two older computers. It's not easy. I wouldn't recommend it. I would instead just get someone to build you a computer because that is honestly easier than trying to patch it yourself. To me, you have to know a lot of different programming languages and a bunch of other stuff. So there you go. That is how to check how much RAM you have in your computer. And you can also check what kind of CPU you have in your computer right here. Very, very simple, easy test that you can do. Also, you can access Windows security here. And it's just a really, really easy way to tell how much RAM is in your computer. So thank y'all so much for watching. If this tutorial helped you, then leave a like. And if you had something wrong with this tutorial, if one of the facts I shared was blatantly wrong and you know that it was wrong, please let me know. These are facts. I have looked them up. They are correct. But if you want to argue with me in the comments, you can. I reply to every single comment. So until the next time, guys, I will talk to y'all later. Bye-bye.